Children are crying, people are dying. A husband sleeps alone tonight. Families torn apart. A brother serves his time in jail. A 9-year-old becomes a mother for the first time. A little boy runs away from home 'cause daddy drinks every night. These are the worst of times. If you don't believe me, it's in the tears they cry. Is there hope for tomorrow when I sleep tonight? Is there hope for humanity, or are we doomed to die? Swept from left to right by the floods of timeless fear in every man's eyes. Is there hope? Is there hope? Is death all there is for the world?
Oh, earth, God made you perfect and in harmony, till sin became your choice.